to see ya. Aw, thanks again for that great hug you gave me last time. Wow, it's great to see everybody having so much fun. Hot dog! Look at all the coins you got. Thanks for coming to see me so often, pal. Talking to you's always the best part of my day. You like my fancy dogs? Pretty spiffy, huh? Hot dog! Having fun's a full-time job around here. I'm pretty sure Chip and Dale are here today. If you see a trail of acorns, they're probably not too far behind. Gosh, pal, looks like you've been having some pretty big adventures since the last time I saw you. Hot dog, I was just hoping you'd come back. I've really missed you, pal. Gosh, will you look at that? Wow, I hope I get the chance to spend time with everybody today. That was awesome! Wait till Buzz Lightyear sees that blaster. He's gonna love it. Make sure you catch the fireworks tonight. They're gonna be a blast! Yeah! If you see her, be sure to say hi to Minnie for me.
Oh, it's so nice to see everyone. Hello! Have you seen Mickey in the parade yet? Oh, isn't he handsome? And I just love flowers, especially petunias. I'm so proud of you. You just keep exploring and exploring. I'm just so lucky that I get to be here with all of you today. Here's a kiss to send you on your way. Mwah! Where did you learn to dance like that? It's so much fun. Oh my, look at all the happy faces. Oh, have fun everyone. Thank you so much. Mickey and I just love days like this. There's so much to do. I just knew we'd be wonderful friends. I wonder if Daisy would like to do some shopping. It's such a beautiful day. I can't decide what I want to do first. What do you think of my bow? Oh, I just love polka dots. I'm so glad that I get to share such a pretty day with all of you. I hope Mickey doesn't forget about our date. We're going to watch the fireworks together. Goodness, you look like you've been having a wonderful time. Oh my! Oh, it looks like everyone is ready to have fun today. Hey, I have a sponge last too. I swim a boat. A really, really fantastic. Hey, watch where you're putting that blaster. Have you seen those chipmunks around here? They're up to trouble again. A real boy, you're going fishing. An autograph from me? Your friends will be jealous. An autograph, but of course. Thanks for asking. Here you go. Thanks, my friend. Let it go. That is sweet. You can have almost as many coins as my august world. You sure do have a lot of energy, but I have some. Those chipmunks will not be up to any mischief. You got some great blackbirds. And you're going to come out again. Say hi to my dad, oh boy, I can use you. Oh right, and you. You know my day. Hi everyone! Where are you all going? I'm over here. I just don't know how you do it, but you look more gorgeous every time I see you. Well, I knew I was popular, but you make me feel like the butt of the ball. I just love you. You make me feel as popular as a prom queen. Oh, I like the way you do your hair. really be coming. Now you can say something nice about me if you'd like. I like the way you dance. Oh, me? Really? Why, I thought you'd never ask. This is a picture-perfect spot. And I'm perfect for pictures. Oh, I hope the beauty shop's open. My do needs doing. Oh, that's so nice. Say, there's a really nice carousel over there. Give it a whirl. Where's everyone going? Oh, there must be a sale today. Hi, how are you? Ooh, I can't wait to see where Donald is taking me on our date today. How fun! Those folks look like they're up for adventure. They ought to love the Jungle Cruise. Here you go. Thanks again. When Minnie gets here, we girls are going shopping.
I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks for coming back. Sure. Soon as I remember how to spell my name. Oh, you're back. Oh, that just makes my day. Wow, I got me a new best friend. We must be what they call BFFs. Best friends for flamingos. One goofy autograph for my best goofy pal. Hope everybody's having a scrumtillacious time today. Hope it's okay. Mickey says I should work on my pencilmanship. Way up high. Why do I get the feeling everybody's going somewhere without me? Say, that there blaster's pretty powerful. You should have lots of fun with it. What you been up to? What you been doing? And do you know any more questions I can ask? Gosh, nothing like a sunny day in the park. Wasn't the Matterhorn cool? Ain't nothing cooler than an icy mountain. I bet somebody out there wants to ride the Matterhorn. You're a good hugger. Sure are a lot of families here today. That's nice.
It's an honor. And a privilege. I love living in a tree. Wouldn't you? Look at all these people. You think they brought acorns? Hey, Chip, what day is it today? A good day to play a trick on Donald? Oh, that's every day. Oh, little us, we'd be happy to. What's got acorns? legs, 4 eyes, and is totally adorable. I know. Me first. No, me. Let's do it together. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Well, you lack motivation.
No, I'm just lazy.
Haven't seen you in a while. You must have been out having fun. Without us? I love it here.
Me too.
How do you do? Look, everything's in its place. Isn't that nice? Did you know this is a magic wishing bag? Oh my! What a good dancer you are! A pretty day in the sun makes me want to dance around. Has anyone seen Dopey? No need to hurry. It's not a day for worry. My friends the birds are singing so sweetly. Aren't they adorable? Oh my! What was that? Oh, make a wish! Dopey is such a dear. Oh, it's so nice and clean here. Someone must have tidied up. I wonder who lives in that great big castle. Would anyone like to sing with me? The dwarfs have been working so hard. They're just the sweetest little men. Do you know, I was just thinking about you. My signature? Oh, how sweet. Here you are. Oh, the flowers are so beautiful today.
Gee, you did so much. You're almost like Jimmy. Oh, you got on something different. Oh boy, we can see each other all day. Well, until Father says it's time for bed anyway. Ooh, a spyglass. Now you can look and see things too. We're best friends. Why, we just have to be. What should we do? Look at that. Gosh, you got so much done. You must be real proud. You got a magic wand. Oh, I'll never lie again. Honest, I won't. Gee, a spyglass. Father told me about those. Now we can dance again. I'm gonna be an actor. I don't need to go to school. I sure am glad to see you. Maybe you could be my friend for always. Hey, you got a water squirter. Oh, I hope it's not like Monstro. That elephant can fly, honest. New shoes! Gee, they look swell. You know, there's lots of fun things to do, and I don't have school today. Gosh, I wonder where everybody's going.
There are a lot of friends here. I hope we shall get to play together. Couldn't I do something very grand? I'd like to celebrate with something very sweet. You would like me to write in your book? Oh, I'd be very happy to. I believe I smell honey. And popcorn. It seems I've left the 100-acre wood. But this place is very nice too. You should all be on the lookout for jaguars. They always call, hello! And when you look up, they drop on you. Please do let me know if you see any jaguars about. They're rather fierce creatures, you know. Oh yes, I can sign my name. Christopher Robin showed me how. There. Now perhaps you will always remember our time together. Very good friends like you are my favorite sort of friends. Perhaps this shall be my new thoughtful spot. I've got an idea, but I don't suppose it's a very good one. Oh, thank you for coming back to remind me that I was hoping you'd visit again. Oh, very sweet of you. I'll call this my happy day dance. Oh, you're a very good friend indeed. You're the best sort of friend. You know, the kind that visits at the best sort of times.